Myself, JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. We will discuss the practical session topic study of economically important fishes, crustaceans and molluscs. Firstly, I discuss fishes. Labiorota. Classification of fish Labiorota. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Ectopterygidae. Order Cypriniformes. Family Cyprinidae. Genus Labio and species Rohita. Okay. Economic importance of Labiorota. The rohu is an important aquacultured freshwater species in South Asia, consumed by a vast populations. When cultured, it does not breed in lake ecosystem, so induced spawning is necessary. The rohu is also praised as a game fish. Okay. Next, Catla. Classification of fishes: Catla, Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Echinopterygii, Cypriniformes, Genus Labio and species Catla. Okay. Economic importance of fishes: Catla. It is one of the most important aquacultured freshwater species in South Asia. It is grown in polyculture ponds with other carp-like fishes, particularly with the rohu, Labiorota and mergal carps. Catla is sold and consumed fresh, locally and regionally. Fish of 1 to 2 kg weight are preferred by the consumers. Next, Cyanus mrigala. Classifications of Cyanus mrigala: Animalia, Chordata, Ectomterygii, Cypriniformes, Cyanus and mrigala. Okay. Economic important: mrigala is popular as a food fish and an important aquaculture freshwater species throughout South Asia. It is widely formed as a component of a polyculture systems of 3 Indian major carps along with rohu, labio and the catla. The mrigala carp fails to breed naturally in ponds, thus induced breeding is done. The Indian carps are considered as a delicacy compared to other exotic carps species also cultured in Asia and sell for higher prices. Okay. India and Bangladesh are the largest producers. In Pakistan, this fish is known by the name of morake or mori. Okay. Next, crustaceans. Crab. Classification of crab: Kingdom Animalia, Subphylum Crustacea, Order Decapoda and crab. About 850 species of crab are freshwater, terrestrial or semi-terrestrial species. They are found throughout the world, tropical and semi-tropical regions. Economic importance: crab meat is very delicious and nutritive and of medicinal value. Important part of marine food webs and supply the local protein demands. Next, Pinctada margarithera. kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, and genus Pancreta. This species is commonly formed and harvested for pulse, and there is general conscious that the quality of pulse from Pancreta is the highest quality out of all the pearl oysters. Pulse form when a small particles enter into the oysters and nacre is released by the oysters to coat the particles or objects, eventually creating a small pulse. The particles might be a grain of sand, organic materials, or even a parasites. The oyster's release of the nacre serves as an adaptation of the immune system to isolate the invasive particles and irritations. Okay, thank you students.